everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to redeem a code in Heartopia. First, just tap on smartwatch icon and then just go to settings, this one, and then just tap on redeem code, this one, and then next just tap and then next just enter your code into this box like this. For example, like this. And then when you're done, just simply tap on redeem like this, and then next just and your rewards will be sent directly to you. Just go to Mailbox, just tap on this smartwatch icon again, and then just tap on Mailbox, and like this you will get your gift. Just tap on claim and you will get this, and you will get that gift. And just take a note, you can usually find redeem codes from Heartopia's official social media like TikTok or official Heartopia Discord server. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.